One of the number one excuses most guys have when it comes to, oh, I don't want to work out my legs, I don't have a gym. You don't need a gym. Trust me, when it comes to me and my clients, when we're training, I'll find ways to devastate your legs. You're going to feel it for days and you're going to grow. You're going to get stronger. You're going to get fitter and feel more amazing than you ever have without a gym. Seriously, I just happen to be in a gym, no big deal, but I'm just going to show you what I do with my clients to get them feeling those legs. And this is going to do the whole package here, okay? So we're going to be doing deep lunges. So you go right down, but what I like to do is pause here. This is mobility, stability, and strength, and then you lunge out, okay? So then you go to the next leg, the next leg. I'm gonna try showing you if the camera's gonna pan me or not, I don't know, but so forward, pause, hold, up, next, down, pause, and off you go. So find a field, a hallway, a pathway, whatever you want. The whole idea is that lower down, full range of motion, holding it, static hold, like I was doing. You're now having to incorporate mobility, balance. Even for me, it's a challenge. But then the cool part is that launch, that lift up when you go from being down there, right? When you're down here and you've been pausing and you get up quick, you're activating different muscles. So you've used one type of muscle fiber and another muscle fiber, and it's incredible. So let me show you in action. I'm gonna speed that sucker up, okay? Next up, low march squats. These are fun, these are different. So it's a regular lower squat, you get right down, but what the idea is, you march a little bit and then you come back up. Go down, pause, march, and back up. Pause, come down, march back, and back up. The whole idea here, time under tension. Your quads are on fire because you're never giving them that break to come up and rest. You don't give them that break. So you come back down, pause, walk, up, but only halfway, and then you walk forward. Those, you just do till failure. For some of you, it would be a couple of seconds and you're done. For some of you, it's going to be a whole lot longer and you'll get that hell of a burn. And then the cool thing is your progression would be adding weight, a weighted vest. You can add a dumbbell, whatever you want. Those are the ways to improve, to get stronger, to get more mobility. All right, so everybody has access to a stair, a step, something like that. This is your basic calf raise. And you can do this anywhere, anytime, and you'll always find ways to develop your calves. So the progression to that is pretty straightforward. Just put something heavy, hold something, and you're good to go. And that will help you increase those calf masses. All right, so you don't need a gym to do training your legs. You don't need heavy equipment like this to get a killer pump, to increase the strength of your legs, to increase your mobility, to increase your flexibility, and your endurance. Seriously, I just showed you, you do those exercises round after round after round to failure, you're going to see changes happen, positive changes in your legs. So if you are a guy over 40 and you want to increase your strength, you want to increase your energy, you want to improve your vitality, head on over to broprothrive.com. That's where I'm going to show you exactly how to get it back. See you there.